The cosmic flying ball is a super popular toy, especially with kids. It's a hand-operated drone that looks like a glowing ball. You can do all sorts of tricks with it, and it's designed to fly around and then come right back to you. It's a pretty popular toy, especially with kids. Here's the deal with the flying cosmic ball. It's more than just a toy. It's like having a little drone you control with your hands. It's designed with these bright, colorful lights, so it looks super cool when it's flying around. You can toss it, spin it, and do all sorts of tricks. It's a fun way to get active, whether you're playing solo or with friends. You can play catch with it, do cool tricks, or even invent your own games. It's usually made from a lightweight and durable plastic, so it's pretty tough. It's basically a mini drone that you can control with your hands. It varies a bit between models, but most cosmic flying balls have a bunch of colors that blend and change as it flies. Think blues, greens, reds, and purples. It's pretty mesmerizing. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with a vibrant blue. It reminds me of the sky on a clear day. I'd choose blue because it feels calming and peaceful to me. It's designed to look like a glowing ball, and it can fly around, do tricks, and even come back to you like a boomerang. It's pretty cool. The LED lights are what make it glow so brightly. Kids can play catch, invent trick shots, or even play tag with the ball. It's a great way for them to be active and have fun together. With 5 or 6 kids, they could play a game of tag with the ball, or even create their own team sport. The possibilities are endless. With a bigger group, they could play a team version of tag, create an obstacle course, or even invent a new sport using the ball. It's all about getting creative and having fun. Definitely. Adults can have just as much fun with the cosmic flying ball. They could try learning new tricks, have friendly competitions, or even use it as a way to relieve stress after a long day. When alone, they could play catch with the ball, try out fun tricks, or even practice tossing it up and catching it again. It's fun and helps improve their coordination. Adults can have a blast with the cosmic flying ball. They can challenge each other to see who can do the coolest tricks, play a game of tag in the dark, or even create their own glow-in-the-dark obstacle course. It's a fun way to unwind and get a little playful. The spin time can vary a bit depending on how hard you throw it and what kind of tricks you're doing, but generally, you can expect it to spin for a few minutes before needing a recharge. On a single charge, the ball can last for about 10 to 15 minutes of playtime. So you can have a good amount of fun before needing to recharge it. It usually takes about 25 minutes to fully recharge the cosmic flying ball. You can find the cosmic flying ball at major retailers like Amazon and Walmart. It's also available on sites like eBay and even from some specialty toy stores. This ball is perfect for indoor play. You can toss it around in the living room, try out cool tricks in the hallway, or even spin it around in your bedroom. Just make sure you have a little space around you so it doesn't bump into anything. If it bumps into something, it's usually no big deal. The cosmic flying ball is designed to be pretty durable, so it can handle a few crashes. It might bounce off or fall to the ground, but it should keep on glowing and flying. It's usually made from a lightweight and durable plastic, so it's pretty tough. Adults can have a blast with the cosmic flying ball. They can challenge each other to see who can do the coolest tricks, play a game of tag in the dark, or even create their own glow-in-the-dark obstacle course. It's a fun way to unwind and get a little playful. You can play catch, do tricks, or even invent your own games. It's great for playing with friends or flying solo. Adults and kids can have a blast playing together with the cosmic flying ball. They can team up for a game of catch, create a fun obstacle course, or even have a competition to see who can do the coolest tricks. It's a great way for everyone to get active and have some laughs. I think what's great about this toy is how versatile it is. It's fun for both kids and adults, and it can be played indoors or outdoors. It's a great way to stay active and get some exercise, and it's sure to keep you entertained for hours on end. When the ball spins, it looks like a mini UFO floating in the air. The colorful lights make it look really cool, especially in the dark. Of course, the cosmic flying ball is a super popular toy, especially with kids. It's basically a mini drone that you can control with your hands. It's designed to look like a glowing ball, and it can fly around, do tricks, and even come back to you like a boomerang. It's pretty cool. The LED lights are what make it glow so brightly. Most people really enjoy this toy. They find it fun and unique, and many say it's a great way to relieve stress. Some people also mention that it's pretty durable and holds up well even after crashes. How long the toy lasts really depends on how often you play with it and how well you take care of it. But if you're gentle with it, it could last for several years. When this toy is played at night, it looks really cool. The colorful lights glow in the dark and it looks like a magical ball flying around. So basically, the cosmic flying ball is a fun and unique toy that both kids and adults enjoy. It's like a mini drone you control with your hands, and it looks super cool with the bright lights, especially in the dark. It's durable and can be played indoors or outdoors. So if you're looking for something new and exciting, it's definitely worth checking out. What else would you like to know about this toy?